Hey everyone, it's Dylan and Charlie from the Black Forest Wood Company. This week we're going to be showing you the installation process for this giant walnut pivot door that we've been building. So this thing is about 9 feet tall by 5 feet wide, and we've got custom Vero metal panels that were done by Jekko in there that have this rusty iron on one side and then walnut on the other side. We also finished this door with our new Black Forest exterior oil that we're testing. It's probably not going to be available for a few months yet, but this is with our new product, and it will be available probably sometime in 2022. So I hope you guys enjoy seeing this process, and let us know what you think of this door.
We're putting in a nice big old pivot door. It's beautiful.
So guess what? You get no money back guaranteed.
Yeah.
Metal roofs.
Yeah. You guys good?
Yeah.
President is
It fits both ways now. Because I didn't
Now
know
with both
if
ways.
I got it left or right, if I got it correct.
now it's
Hey, Blessed. Come on, boys. Over my head she goes. Down she goes. Break that apart down there and throw her into the dump. Well, we just have the tile. I talked to the tiler about leaving the tile about 1/4 inch back so we don't have to actually cut it on site. Makes it a little bit more of a challenge, but it looks like it's tight, so we'll cut it back. He said, he already told me that's $25,000 worth of tile in the entrance here. So
there wasn't
as you
any-
can see, there's something very unique going on. It looks very nice. Look at that. Because we don't want to just set it on this.
You have a blanket on the bottom, yes?
So we should have like almost 2 dunnage and a blanket on top. So it holds it up off the ground, or like a couple 2x4s.
Even a blanket should be fine. For how
Okay.
much weight sits on there,
Okay. Okay.
if it's sitting on a blanket.
You okay,
Yeah.
Listen? Okay. Yes. All my metal. My sister from my
Now for the fun part.
I don't want to pull it. And then we're going to go low.
Be able to turn it.
We don't want to set it on that. I go up? Hey, we're up.
We're in.
Rotate. Rotate. Okay.
We'll put a blanket on the top.
Put the blanket on top.
Yeah. And we reach the top. Can you slow it down at all?
Grab the ladder.
Ladder right there. That's a nice okay. Many millions. You know, it's like a big okay, so now Mr. Jack's gonna set her down. Courtesy. Up she goes.
I have 10 mil shims brought with me.
10 mil?
Yeah.
Arms in there? Yeah. Okay. How's that? Just like that.
Let me screw it.
Yeah? Suck it with the screw. See if it pulls it in like. Back that way. That way. Okay, my hand's underneath it. Great. Let's flip. Yeah. Okay. Okay, Mr. Lesher, fetch it.
is like, you know those puffy vests?
Oh yeah.
He was putting expanding foam in the little inserts in there because all the foam had flattened out.
Makes like push and then that will go into here. Like this door will be actually 3-point door. So, but it's
But can you see that one?
Okay, well, we got this beauty all finished up here. Fit like a dream. The job installation is complete. The only thing we're waiting for is the actual door handle. It's a simple pull grip handle. And we'll come and install that on site a little bit later. And this one's another one, bites the dust.
For them on some other projects they're doing. So leave your comments below. We'd really love to hear what you guys think. And then behind me is what we're going to be starting on next week. So this is again part of that giant maple furniture package. If you guys have watched some of our previous videos, we're doing the 14-foot by 5-foot maple burl dining table for that. And then here are a bunch of cabinet components and then a few of the dining chairs. There's 10 more. We've only got 4 here right now, so there's 10 more that go with it. And we're really excited to start showing off this full furniture package to you guys. So thank you for watching. Let's see, I guess I gotta pick a word now. So if you guys have made it all the way to the end of the video, start your comment with chair and we will know you watched to the end and we'll respond to you guys. But thanks again and we'll see you next week.